I did some midnight shopping. I don't even know how long ago I ordered these, or it was probably during the last week of school when I was really stressed. It's from Temu. Oh, this is for my pin trading for my classroom. Pins can go into it and my kids can flip through it instead of having them on a white. This looks like a shirt. Oh, that's cute. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about these, but oh, I bought iron-ons for my t-shirts. Because as a proper Disney Club sponsor at the school, I need to have proper Disney Club wear. Hair clips. Oh, Midnight Me does some really good shopping. These. My absolute favorite cartoon is Alice in Wonderland, and it's the door knocker. It's a door knocker pen holder. More Mickey Mouse iron-ons. Why did I buy this? Because it was like 23 cents, but I wasn't actually gonna buy it. These are magnets. I bought little Mickey head magnets for my board in my classroom. I think this is another shirt. And another quick change. It's all the eyeliner aid. Oh, I don't do wings. My daughter does. You put it on your thing and you get the perfect wing. So that's for her. More magnets. This is also for one of my daughters. She's very much a coquette kind of person. Little tiny mini resin frogs to hide in one of my coworkers' classrooms. I mean, totally not gonna do that. Also, these are axolotl. These are little Mickey Mouse hands. Little baby penguins. Mr. Trigg, watch out. This one's cute. It's got a little tie right here. I don't understand. Anyway, we'll figure that out. Midnight Me apparently likes shirts. It's another Mickey Mouse head. And it's got sunflowers and peonies. I said peonies. Get your mind out of the gutter. Straw caps. Mickey Mouse head. Straw caps. Oh, a new lanyard for school. Cute, it's a mushroom. Oh shoot, they got bent. More Mickey head iron-ons. Okay, so that's what Midnight Me bought in the middle of the night, because that's what midnight means. Okay, bye.